Here you see a program to calculate the compound interest and the corresponding amount. Here is the total program. You can observe. Now I am explaining the steps. Here at the top you see the main header file. In this program I have used an additional header file. This header file has been used because I have used this O function inside this program. Now here you see the keyword float. Float stands for the decimal numbers. Here you see P is for the principal, R is for the rate in percentage, N is the number, total number of that duration in which the compound interest is added to the updated principal. T is the time, R is the rate. Here you must note there are two R. This small r stands for that duration in which the compound interest is added to the updated principal. And this A, capital A, is for the amount. Now you see in the question there are given three things. Here you see principal, rate and time. These physical quantities are given. So I have used three printf functions one after the other. The first one is for the principal, and the second is for the rate, and the third is for the time. These things are the same as was in simple interest calculation by C programming. I have already uploaded how to calculate simple interest using C program. Now here is certain modification. Here you see r, small r by 1 into 100. This 1 stands for the number of times in a year the compound interest is added. In this program I have assumed that compound interest is added annually. So annually means per year, so per means 1, so here is 1, and you see this 100 is to make the capital R the rate in decimal, and here you see n equals to t into 1. This one also stands for the same, the number of times the compound interest is added. Since I have assumed annually, so here is 1, and t is the time, and thereafter in the next line you see the formula for compound interest. You know the amount equals to P, the principal, into 1 plus r to the power n. Here you see this stands for 1 plus r to the power n. I have not written r by 100 because r is already in decimal, and this is the function for which I have used this additional header file math.h. Now the last printf function you see here, this shows the output, and in this output we see the value of compound interest and the corresponding amount, and you know the compound interest is a minus p, so a minus p is written first, and thereafter you see the amount is written after that. So for that, here you see capital A. Let us see now the output. Here is the output, but you in the screen will see in a small font. So I am magnifying the screen. Yes. Now you see the magnified screen. Here it says to enter the principal. I am pressing 100 and pressing enter. Now it says to enter the value of the rate. I am pressing 10 and pressing the key enter. Now it says enter the value of time. I am pressing 2 and pressing the key enter. Now look at the result. The compound interest is 21, okay, and the corresponding amount is 121. So it is okay. So our program gives the value of compound interest as well as the amount. Thanks.